there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can do WordPress hosting in crazy domains. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining and doing. So the first thing that you will do is log into your crazy domains account, and then you will go ahead and search for web hosting, which is right here. And then once you're here, what you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you do have the plan first before proceeding to the next step so that you will be actually be able to do it. And then once you have your plan already, you will just have to select WordPress hosting, and then you will click purchase or setup, and then you will choose domain to host, and then you will select plan and billing cycle. And after that, you will complete payment and access hosting dashboard. And after all that, you will use WordPress admin link and start building your website. And that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.